Hello and welcome to my Systeme.io landing page tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page with Systeme.io platform. So watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you want to try Systeme.io platform absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and get your Systeme.io lifetime free account. And suppose if you want to upgrade and want discount on any of Systeme.io plan, then discounted affiliate links are also in the video description. Just go and check it out. So it's very easy to create a landing page with Systeme.io platform. So for this, all you need to do is just log into your Systeme.io account, and after that click on this sites option. When you will click on it, then you will see a sales funnel option here. Just click on it, and here you just need to click on this plus create button. So here, as you can see, you can create any type of landing page. Suppose if you want to build your audience, it means that you want to capture the email address of your audience. Then what you need to do, you need to select this build an audience option, and by using this option you can create lead generation type pages where your audience have to enter their name and email address for getting access for anything. Like suppose if you are offering any free ebook, free video course, or whatever it is, and in return you want their email address, then in that case you can use this build an audience option. It means that you can create lead generation type landing page with Systeme.io. And suppose if you are selling anything and if you want to create sales landing page where you will add your entire sales script, and if you want order form type of landing page and anything like this, that is checkout landing page or anything like this, then you can select this sell option. And suppose if you want to design your sales funnel from scratch, like if you want to design a sales landing page, then you want to design checkout landing page, then you want to add some upsell, downsell and all these things, then you can select the custom option. And suppose if you want to run an evergreen webinar, then you can select this run an evergreen webinar option. But for now I'm going to select this sell option because I'm going to design a pre-sale page where we are going to sell an affiliate product with the help of this landing page. Okay, so it is affiliate marketing landing page or normal sales landing page, whatever you want to say. So I'm going to select this sell option, and you can give your sales funnel a name. So I'm giving a demo, so let's write demo landing page. Okay, you can give any name, but I'm giving you a demo, so that's why I'm writing demo landing page. And after that I will click on save button. Okay, so as you can see, demo landing page has created successfully. All you need to do is just click on this link and it will open a page like this. Here, as you can see, it is showing the order form, that is checkout page, and here is the thank you page, that after purchasing our product or service they will be redirected to this thank you page. Okay, but as I mentioned, I'm designing a affiliate marketing landing page, or you can say I'm designing a pre-sale landing page. So I'm going to delete this option because I don't need it. I don't need a checkout page. I just want a simple landing page to sell my affiliate product. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add step button. So in this particular landing page, I want to sell Pixels AI that help you to design attractive YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so let me give this landing page a name like Pixels AI pre-sale landing page, or whatever you want to write. You can write anything, and here you can select which type of landing page you are creating. It is a sales page, it is order form page, upsell, downsell, thank you page, opt-in thank you page, inline form, pop-up form, link in bio type page, info page, contact us page, webinar registration page, webinar thank you page, or webinar broadcast page. So in my case, it is a pre-sale page, it is affiliate marketing landing page. Okay, so I'm going to select sales page from here and I will click on save. And here, as you can see, it is showing me lots of template, as you can see. So there are lots of template. You can select any template according to your requirement, but I want to create a simple landing page where I can sell my product by adding this particular video. So I want a simple landing page where there will be a title, a video, and a call to action button. Okay, so let me find it. Okay, so this is the landing page which I was looking for. There is a title, there is a small description. Just below our title there is a video and call to action. If you want to see the demo of this landing page, then you can click on preview template and let me show you. As you can see, there is a title, there is a small description about this particular video, okay, and there is a call to action button, okay, and here are more details about product if you want to add it, okay. So this is the landing page which I was looking for. So what I will do, I will click on select button, and here is the name of our landing page, that is Pixels AI pre-sale landing page. I have given it a name like this because I want to sell Pixels AI. And here is the URL path. Suppose if you want to change the URL of your landing page, then you can change it from here. So I am selling Pixels AI in this page, so what I can write Pixels AI, or you can write anything like this. So this is a AI thumbnail generation tool. So what I can write its name here, or I can simply write AI thumbnail generator, okay. So in this way you can give your URL a name. So I will highly recommend you to use a name that your users can easily understand like what this page is all about just by checking the URL, okay. And after that, what you need to do, just click on edit page button. If you will click on it, then you can edit this entire page, okay. So as you can see, there is a heading, there is the description, as I already mentioned, there is a video and call to action button. And apart from this, I am going to delete everything that you are seeing here, okay. Why I am deleting it, let me explain. Because simple landing page converts better, okay. So if you will add a lot of details here, so it will confuse your reader. So I will not recommend you to add too many things here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this particular portion which is in the top, which is logo. So what I will do, I will click on delete button to delete it. And similarly, you can delete all the elements which is showing here. So for this, you can just hover over this element and this entire section will be selected. As you can see, it is in the green. All you need to do is just click on this delete button. So I am going to delete all this section one by one, and after that I will come back to this video again. And I want to mention one more thing, that if you want testimonial section, then it is good to increase the conversion rate and click through rate on this particular button. Because if anyone will see that what other people are saying about this particular product that we are promoting, then your audience will more likely to be interested in this particular product. So you can keep this section, but I am going to delete it for now. So as you can see, I have deleted everything. I just keep the heading, a little bit of description, video, call to action, and this footer menu because it is important, okay. So as I already mentioned that in this particular page, I am going to promote Pixels AI, that is a famous AI YouTube thumbnail generator. So here you can write an attractive title to promote this particular product. So I want to give you a title formula that is very popular these days. So the title format is how to A without B, okay. Some examples are how to lose weight without going to gym, how to design mobile app without coding, how to create YouTube video without showing your face, okay. So I hope you understood. So in this video, I'm going to promote Pixels AI, which is an AI YouTube thumbnail generator. So my title will be something like how to design viral thumbnails without hiring a designer. As you can see, font size is too big. So what I will do, I will click here and I will get font setting in the left side. I can decrease the font. Okay, so now it is looking good, and I can underline this without hiring word to make it more attractive. So as you can see, now our title is looking more attractive. How to design viral thumbnails without hiring a designer. Okay, and if you want to describe what they are going to learn in this particular video, then you can write a little bit of a description here. So I have written something like, watch this video to see how this AI designed viral YouTube thumbnail in one click. So I want to decrease the font size, so again I will decrease it from here. And as you can see, spacing between heading and description is too short. So what I will do, I will select this particular one, and here when I will click here, then in the left side I will see some options for padding and margin. So I want to add a top margin here, so I will add it from here. So let me add some margin. Okay, as you can see, so now it is looking good. And also there is very less spacing in the top. So what I will do, I will select this particular title, and again I will scroll down a little bit and I will add top padding here as well to add some spacing in the top. Okay, so now it is looking good. So next thing I want to do is I want to add my video here. So actually it is an image. As you can see, it has written that it is an image. So I want to add my video here. So for this, what I will do, I will simply delete this particular section. Okay, let me click on OK. From the left side, I will select the video option. Okay, as you can see, there is media option and here is video option. I will drag and drop this video element. Here it is a drag and drop editor. So I can drag this video element anywhere in this page. So I want to drag select this video element just below this particular line. So I'm going to drag this element here. Okay, so as you can see now it is showing the video option here. So when I will select it, then here as you can see in the left side it will show me all the settings. Suppose I want to add a YouTube video here, so I can simply paste my YouTube video link here. And suppose I have video file that I want to upload in this landing page, then what I will do, I will click on upload file button and I can upload that video that I want to add here. Okay, so in my case I want to add my YouTube video links, so I have selected direct link from here, and this is the video which I want to upload. So I will right click here and I will copy link address, and here I'm going to paste my YouTube video URL. So I'm going to paste it here, and as you can see video is showing now. And here there are some additional setting, like if I want that this video will be automatically play when anyone will visit this landing page, then I can select on, but I'm leaving it off for now. And if I want to add shadow just below this video, then I can select it, and if I will scroll down, then as you can see there are lots of shadow option like hard shadow, mid shadow, soft shadow, okay, blurry shadow, whatever you want you can select it. So I'm going to select shadow from here. Okay, and as you can see there is no spacing between this video file and this particular button. So what you can do, you can add a spacing between these two elements. It is very easy. As I mentioned earlier, in the case of title, you just need to click on this element. When you will click on it, you will get all the setting in the left sidebar. You just need to scroll this page a little bit and you will see margin option. If you will add margin, then as you can see you can add spacing between video element and button like this. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so last thing which is remaining in this video is that we want to add our affiliate link in this button, and we want to change the button text. So let me click on this button and I will get all the setting in the left sidebar. As you can see, the very first thing I want to do is I want to change this button text. Okay, so for this I will scroll this setting page a little bit, and here as you can see it is showing click here to enroll now. This particular text, if I want to change it, I can write anything here. So let me delete it, and now I'm going to write something like try Pixels AI for free. Okay, and if I want to increase the font size, then I can increase or decrease by using this option. Okay, so it is very easy. And suppose if you want to change the button color to something else, then you can select it and you can select any color you want. Suppose if you want red color, then you can select red. If you want green color, then you can select the green color like this. Okay, as you can see it is very easy to change anything in this page. So for now I'm going to select the default blue color. So what I will do, I will click on undo button from here. Okay, as you can see, so it will again fix any mistake I have done in this particular landing page. Okay, so this color is looking good, matching with this particular thumbnail, so I'm going to select this color. And the last thing which is remaining is that we have not added our affiliate link. So again I'm going to click on this button, and here is the action when button is clicked. So what we want, whenever anyone will click on this particular button, then we want to open our affiliate link. So for this what I will do, I will select the open URL option from this drop down menu, and I'm going to paste my affiliate link. For now I am going to write my website URL here for demo purpose, and obviously if it is an affiliate link, then you have to select the no follow from here, and after that what you can do, you can click on save button. Okay, to save all the changes you have done so far. And now let's talk about how to customize the footer. So if you want to customize this footer, then you can simply click on it, and suppose if you want to add your terms for condition page URL or privacy policy page URL, then what you can do, you can click here and you can paste your terms and condition page URL, and you can select open in a new tab and you can confirm it. Similarly, you can add privacy policy page URL here and you can click on open in a new tab and you can confirm it like this. Okay, I hope you got it. And I want to mention one more thing, that suppose if you feel that you want to add any other element in this landing page, then there are lots of options in the left side. As you can see, text, heading, bullet list, content box, 2-column layout, 4-column layout, 3-column layout, row, section, button, checkout, checkbox, calendar, payment redirection, physical product, image, video, audio, cursor, survey, Facebook comment button, X button, countdown timer. Okay, menu button, horizontal line. So there are lots of things. So suppose if you want to add any other element, then what you can do, you can select the element which you want to add and you can drag this element anywhere you want. Suppose you want to drag element here, then you can drag this countdown element here like this. Okay, and suppose if you want to add it the timer detail, then you can click on it and you can get all the setting of this particular timer in the left side, as you can see. So I'm going to delete it because I was just giving you a demo. So in this way you can design affiliate marketing landing page or sales landing page or sales page, whatever you want to say, with the help of Systeme.io platform. After doing all the changes, you can click on save button and let me click on exit. So your landing page is ready, and if you want to check how it is looking, then you can copy this URL or you can simply click on this view funnel step button. It will open this page in a new window like this. So as you can see, there is a title like how to design viral thumbnails without hiring a designer. There is a little bit description like watch this video to see how this AI design viral YouTube thumbnails in one click. And after that, your audience can watch this video, and if they find this tool helpful, then there is a call to action: try Pixels AI for free. Definitely, if they will be interested in this particular tool after watching this video, then they will definitely click on this button to try this platform absolutely free. And when they will click on it, then it will redirect them to the Pixels AI website. But it is showing my website here because I have added my website link in this particular button. Okay, so in this way you can copy this URL and you can share it with your audience. So this is the link of your landing page. I hope you got it. And by the way, I want to remind you once again that if you want to try Systeme.io platform absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. So if you want to support my YouTube channel and want to get Systeme.io lifetime free account, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. And suppose if you want to use any paid plan of Systeme.io and if you want discount on Systeme.io plans, then special affiliate links are in the video description. Just go and check it out. I hope now you understood how to create a landing page with Systeme.io platform. Even after watching this Systeme.io landing page tutorial, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this Systeme.io landing page tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.